My trades are going absolutely crazy right now, and in today's video I need to talk about a couple of potential breakouts that are about to happen on the charts, guys. So if you're involved in crypto, guys, if you're a cryptocurrency trader, I am going to show you what I see happening for the market in the foreseeable future, and also show you how I am going to act on the trades that I have. As you know, I do have two trades if you've been following my channel. One is currently up 62%, one is up 23 here, so for XRP and Pepe. So am I going to close these ones right now? I will talk about more targets here, my trading strategies, and much more. Welcome back, everybody. My name is Chris, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day. If you're new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. So let's get straight into it. And do I see some opportunities for Bitcoin? Yes, you can see that Bitcoin is currently consolidating inside of a potential triangle formation like this, or a bullish pennant, or a bullish flag, whatever you want to call it. But the consolidation has been happening for a little while on the daily time frame. And these ones, when we consolidate, as you know, I usually say, these ones usually follows the trend, and the trend has been very clearly upwards here recently. So this looks likely to see a push. Yes, the bears are going to try to defend the $120 area or $120K dollar area. So this is something that you will need to be wary of, and you can see that we tried to break through this here previously, didn't manage to do that, but I think that it's only a matter of time until we break through this. So I do think that this move is going to take us above that point. Yeah, how am I going to play that? Well, for the currently in the market, I am already allocated a lot, but if you would want to make a trade right now, as you can see, guys, we've seen this time and time again. Up, consolidation, up, consolidation, up, consolidation, up, and then we had a longer consolidation, and then we saw that next move upward. So if you were to try to make a move right now on Bitcoin in particular, then you could see that breakout trade like I showed you. So breaking out of the triangle formation or flag formation, and then the 120K level, maybe wait until we see that breakout, make this support, proper support, and then see a move towards the upside. But the chances are that we're just gonna break through this with a big green candle, because a lot of people will be shorting here and they will get wrecked and liquidated on the way up, pushing this much higher. So that is a potential move you could make for Bitcoin. As always though, nothing in this video is financial advice. I'm just showing you what I'm seeing in the market and showing you what I'm personally doing. So for Ethereum, this is pretty cool. So Ethereum continues. It just hit 3,700, and this move looks like it's not gonna stop anytime soon, guys. And this feels so good, because you know that for my trading strategies, I've been holding this Ethereum position for such a long time, and now it is actually about time soon to start adjusting the range here. So I will potentially, if we see another little bit of a pullback, I will adjust the range. So let's see, guys. I will see, because this move is very, look at this, it's crazy. The move has been very, very aggressive towards the upside, and I would love to adjust the range here a little bit for my first Ethereum strategy and for my second Ethereum strategy. So you can see I have both of these ones, and this one is up to 4.7K, and the first one is up to, let me see here, 4.4K. So I will want to adjust that, but I will let you know as soon as I do that. Of course, I'm going to do it in the videos. But everything is looking good. And this is on the monthly time frame, and we have 10 days left in July, guys. And if we close the green candle here above this trend line, that is going to be the start of a massive run for altcoins in general, but also for Ethereum, of course. So this is what I'm watching. If you want to know why, make sure to go back to the video I posted yesterday. This is huge. Now, there's a couple of potential breakout trades you can make right now. So Doge is already seeing a move towards the upside. That's amazing. XRP is seeing a move towards the upside. Also, a bit of a consolidation here. You can see this, just like you saw right here. Same thing. Oh, why did that show up? Anyway, you can see the consolidation here, and then a move, and then consolidation here, and potentially a move upwards for XRP. And yeah, that looks very likely. If you look at Cardano, we made this support here at 80 cents. I do think that ADA is going to go up higher as well. But then there is the breakout trade for Pepe. So Pepe, as you know, I am bullish on Pepe, and you can see that it has been struggling really with the orange lines here. Now we've been bouncing in between support and resistance, but if we manage to break through this 1,400 level here, like 4 zeros, then 1,400, if we manage to break through that, then I do think that we're gonna see a pretty aggressive move towards 1,700. So that would be, what would that be? A 21% gain. Now, as you know, guys, I do have a Pepe trade, and a lot of you guys also joined me on this trade previously. Already, half of the profit has been taken here. The TP was hit for the first target. The first target was actually right here at my orange line, and then we saw a pullback. So that was a good idea to take that gain, because we did see a pullback. I could have entered with the gains that I made here and added to that position down at the support, but I didn't. Instead, I'm just waiting for us to go up here to higher levels and the TP will be hit. The second TP will be hit right here at 1690, right below the orange line. So that trade is still ongoing. And then in, I think yesterday's video or the day before, I entered into an XRP trade. It is also currently up 14%. So I try to take these trades that are like high probability in my opinion. That looks better than just entering into a random coin. Of course, the best way, in my opinion, is to use the trading strategies. And I also added to Pepe yesterday. I added also to Solana. So Solana, in my bull market portfolio, as you know, I added to that trade, and that was a good move because Solana is seeing a green candle towards the upside. And I do think that Solana is also going to start to trend upwards very strongly here moving forward. So Solana looking good. The trades are looking good. If you want to join me on my trading strategies, which has a built-in exit strategy as well, remember guys, it is very important. Like the next major move, in my opinion, it is already happening. And a lot of people are gonna FOMO at the top. We don't want to FOMO at the top. We don't want to feel like we missed out. We want to get in at an early price. And still, I think we are pretty early. And with the strategies, even if you do get a dip here, what's going to happen is going to buy the dip on the way down. So you're not entering with the entire position. So that's, you don't have to time the tops. You don't have to time the bottoms. That's essentially the entire point of these strategies. So entering with these ones is what if I was on the sidelines, I would do that. But also the individual trades here, I am going to try to take more of these ones moving forward. Now, if you want to join my trading strategies, go to the description of this video, sign up to the best exchange, Pionex, right here, and then claim the bonuses using this link. And then you have my main coins and also the rest of the coins that I have put into my bull market portfolio. With one click, you can open these ones up. And if you want to use it for many other altcoins, like 180 other altcoins, click on this link. It is going to take you to this page. And here you can use it for whichever altcoin you want. Here, just have the links here at the top right or at the right side. So that is for the trading strategies, these ones, which has a built-in exit strategy, and it buys the dip on the way down. So that is if you want to use them. If you want to join on the individual trades, I'm generally using VX and TapBit. So you also have the links down here in the description. You have incredible bonuses, even if you are from the land of the not so free trade using VX and TapBit. If you want to claim those rewards, you can also use these links. All of the information you got right here. So guys, that is what I want to do with my trades. I'm just gonna hold them for now. I have my targets already established. There's some FUD going around, like England needs to sell some crypto in order to plug their hole, so they're spending too much money. They have Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been going up, they're gonna sell it. And they're gonna do the same thing as Germany. They're gonna sell it at a low price. They would have been much better off just holding it, but okay. They're gonna potentially sell it. This costs a little bit of FUD, but really it's nothing in the grand scheme of things with the demand that you're seeing for Bitcoin right now. And also it looks likely, according to Benjamin Cowan here, that the altcoin run is going to continue towards the later parts of the summer. And then in late August, you're gonna see the liquidity flow back to Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is going to go up higher. So that is something to pay attention to as well. But that's what I got for you guys. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one.